Want your invoices to reflect your brand's professionalism? Customizing your template in QuickBooks Online is easier than you think. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Start by going to Settings and then Custom Form Styles. Click on the invoice template you want to edit. Here, you'll enter the designer. You can change colors to match your logo, upload your brand's header image, and select fonts. You can also control the layout and fields. Decide which columns to show, add a personalized message, and include your terms and conditions. You can even add a Pay Now button that links directly to online payment options. My crucial pro tip: create a branded statement template too. While you are in the designer, apply the same visual style to your statement template. This ensures a consistent, professional look across all client-facing documents, not just invoices. A polished invoice builds trust, gets paid faster, and makes your business look established. What's the one thing you always include on your invoices? Your logo, a thank you note, or payment terms? Tell me down in the comments. For more tips on looking professional, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.